I wanted to show you guys something here I've been working on. Got the 10 of spades. Okay, keep your eye on it. Okay, watch. Let's cast a shadow. Okay, so what this is it's a color change in this Dai Vernon. I found it in a Dai Vernon book. So you have a double lift. I'm going to do it from an exposed angle. So you have a spinning double lift, right? From the spinning double lift, you're going to put the card right with your right hand ring finger underneath it, and from an exposed angle. So you keep spinning it, and then this goes over here. At this time, you're going to hold it against the body. That's so that your hand can completely open up, and you're going to be hidden, right? So they can't see that. And this is a Dai Vernon color change, but I thought it was really, really good. Then as you just wave in your hand, you just slowly rest this on top. And if you just bend it, see, it'll just come right on top like that as you wave. So I thought this was a cool color change to show. So there you go.